Welcome back. Papaya milkshake with honey. This is very nutritious and refreshing. So go nowhere, easy to make. Let's create. So what I have here is a very ripe papaya. And I'm going to peel it a little bit. I mean, you don't have to, because the peel has vitamins. And it might be a little bit difficult to peel anyhow because it's very ripe. But you don't really have to. And what you do is cut it into pieces, clean the stuff out, the seeds, and then cut it into squares. Add the papaya, and mine is very ripe because I want it sweet. The riper, the sweeter. You add it here into the blender. Then what I do is add your milk, enough to cover the papaya. And I put some honey to taste. You can use sugar, like 2 or 3 tablespoons, maybe 4. But I want to use honey because I want to make this healthy. And then what you do is you blend it.